All right, we know that short form video performs highest on every single platform, but on Facebook specifically, another really great feature is the color block post. I'm Franny, a former classroom teacher, and now I love teaching entrepreneurs and other business owners practical tools and tips to grow their businesses online. So if that is you, go ahead and like and subscribe to this page. I'm going to show you two different ways. One is going to be through your actual PC or your laptop, and then I'm also going to show you how to do this from your phone. They're very similar, but sometimes people get tripped up. So I'm going to start by showing you on your basic PC or laptop. Oh goodness, let me go here. We're going to go to screens and let's get ready to share. So you open up your Facebook page. Now I already kind of got this queued up. So right here where it says, normally it will come in here and it will ask you, oh, let me go here. I'm going to take this out. I want to show you guys from the very beginning. I kind of got it queued up and ready to go. What's on your mind right here? And you will simply click in there. Mine is already set to the default because I oftentimes will post right here. It already knows me that I'm going to do that. I just put that in here just for fun, kicks and giggles. If you notice along the bottom here, I see all these different color options. A few things to note. One, you want to try to keep it on brand. You can tell that I use this because it showed up as the most popular. I use that all the time. So think about your own personal brand colors and try to find something that would emulate that and try to be consistent. So when people see that, they know that it's you and your brand. A few additional details. Based upon your business and your industry, you want to be, of course, relative. So not many people will post your poop emoji or even your hysterically laughing emoji. And, of course, if you're posting about business or politics or something, a unicorn is not necessarily the most professional. Another fun little fact about this is that research has proven that a blue background with white writing is most effective and our eyes are drawn to that and it's easiest for us to read. So not black with white because it's too harsh, but a blue with white. So if you're presenting on a PowerPoint or at a conference or meeting or things like that, that is something very powerful to know. Again, if it's on brand for you. I don't do that one. I tend to use that one. So I would simply go ahead and post that there and be ready to go. Now you do have a few other options here. You can look and see, who I want to post it to. Most of the time when you're doing a business post, I tell people that you want to make it as public as possible so as many people as possible can see it. Of course, you can always add emojis and make it more fun and interactive, and have people do that. Now, I would never post something like this. I would post something that had a specific call to action for people, and then I would continue. Okay, that's pretty much your simple color block post on your computer. Let me go ahead and take a second, and I'm going to switch over here now, and we're going to start sharing over from your phone. It's going to be very similar, but I do want to show you what this looks like here so that nobody gets tripped up with this. Give me 1 second. Trying to find my computer here. So if you are on your computer at home, or excuse me, on your phone, go ahead and open up your Facebook app, and then you will see right here, I'm going to open up right away. There is a color block post right there. So if you can see that, obviously that looks really different. It kind of stops the scroll for me for sure. So I go up here to the top where it says what's on your mind. I simply click on that. Now I had already been typing in my friend's name for something previously. And I would just go ahead and I would type in, hey, hey, we are the monkeys, the same thing. Okay. Now, the exact same thing is going to be there where you have the little color wheel over here on the far left. And then that grid option right there pops up. Oh, sorry about that. You can see where that was going. I simply typed in or tapped on the A, but if I click there, I will get those exact same options that I had previously. And then another really cool feature is here. And again, remember that anytime you're using a platform and you're using their native features, they get excited. So they want to see you using, Imagine or Professional or Fix the Grammar. This is a really important one. Make it shorter, make it funny, make it heartfelt. So they even have different tones using artificial intelligence that you can change your post. So that's another feature that you might want to try out just for kicks and giggles and see what it comes up with. But otherwise, that is simply how you do a color block post from your phone. And again, even though you might have an Android or you might have an iPhone, it might be a little bit differently, but for the most part, the platform is the same. So I certainly hope that this helps you. Hope you learned something new today. Go ahead and drop a comment if so, and then be sure to like and follow this page for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day, everybody.